Wood has always held a special place in human culture. From ancient tools to modern decor, it represents strength, growth, and continuity. When combined with nature-inspired ideas, wood art becomes deeply personal. Each grain pattern is unique, each knot a reminder of the tree's life, and each curve shaped by both nature and the maker's hands. Creating wood art for gifts means giving something truly one of a kind, something that carries emotion as much as beauty. Welcome to Wow Decor Tube, where creativity meets nature and simple materials turn into meaningful expressions of art. Today's video is all about nature and wood art, and how to make inspiring handmade pieces that are perfect as heartfelt gifts. In a world full of fast, store-bought items, handmade wooden gifts carry a warmth and sincerity that can't be replicated. They tell a story not just of the material, but of the time, care, and intention behind them. This journey is designed to inspire you to create thoughtful wood art gifts that connect people to nature and to each other. If you're enjoying today's content and feeling inspired to create nature-inspired wood art gifts, we'd love to hear from you. Please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your support helps Wow Decor Tube continue bringing creative, meaningful ideas to viewers who love nature, art, and handmade beauty. The creative process begins with choosing the right piece of wood, and often the best pieces are the simplest ones. A fallen branch, a reclaimed board, or a leftover scrap can become the foundation for a meaningful gift. Instead of seeing imperfections, the artist learns to see possibilities. A crack can guide a design, a curve can suggest a form, and the natural texture can become the focal point of the piece. This approach makes wood art accessible to everyone, even beginners, because it encourages working with the material rather than trying to control it completely. Shaping wood into art is a calming, almost meditative process. Simple tools and patience are often enough to begin. As the wood slowly takes form, ideas evolve naturally. A small wooden slab might become a wall hanging with carved leaf patterns, while a smooth branch could transform into a minimalist sculpture or a decorative stand. The act of making is as meaningful as the finished piece, and this sense of mindfulness carries into the gift itself. The receiver can feel the care that went into its creation. Nature-inspired designs resonate deeply with people because they reflect familiar forms and emotions. Leaves, trees, birds, waves, and abstract organic shapes all speak a universal language. When these elements are carved, burned, or shaped into wood art, they create a connection between the indoors and the natural world outside. This makes such pieces especially meaningful as gifts, offering comfort, grounding, and beauty in everyday life. Finishing the wood is where its personality truly comes alive. Sanding smooths the surface while preserving the grain, and natural oils or waxes enhance color and depth without hiding the wood's character. The finish doesn't need to be perfect. Slight variations add charm and authenticity. This handmade quality is what sets wood art gifts apart from mass-produced items. They feel real, warm, and personal, qualities that people increasingly value. Wood art gifts are versatile and suitable for many occasions. They can celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, housewarmings, or simply express appreciation. Because each piece is unique, it feels thoughtful and intentional. In a time when many gifts are chosen quickly, handmade wood art stands out as something deeply considered. This emotional value often matters more than the object itself. For creators, making wood art gifts also opens doors to creative growth and even small business opportunities. Many people start by making gifts for friends and family, only to discover that others want similar pieces. Nature-inspired wood art has strong appeal in markets that value sustainability, craftsmanship, and originality. This makes it possible to turn a creative hobby into a meaningful side income while staying true to personal values. From a storytelling perspective, each piece of wood art carries a narrative. Where did the wood come from? What inspired the design? What moment was it created for? Sharing these stories adds depth and meaning to the gift. It transforms a simple object into a memory, something that lasts beyond trends and seasons. This storytelling element is especially powerful when gifting, as it strengthens emotional connection. For Wow Decor Tube viewers, this process is meant to inspire confidence and creativity. You don't need perfection or advanced skills to begin. Nature itself provides guidance. By observing shapes, textures, and patterns, you learn to trust your instincts and enjoy the journey of making. This sense of freedom is what makes wood art so rewarding. It invites exploration rather than pressure. As you imagine creating wood art gifts, think about the people you're making them for. Their tastes, personalities, and spaces can guide your design choices. A minimalist friend might appreciate a simple, abstract wooden form, while someone who loves nature may enjoy a carved leaf or bird motif. This personalization makes the gift feel even more special and thoughtful. The beauty of nature and wood art lies in its timelessness. Unlike trendy decor, wood art ages gracefully. Over time, it may darken slightly or develop a soft patina, adding to its charm. This sense of longevity makes wood art gifts symbols of lasting connection and care. They become part of the home, woven into daily life. If you're enjoying today's content and feeling inspired to create nature-inspired wood art gifts, we'd love to hear from you. Please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your support helps Wow Decor Tube continue bringing creative, meaningful ideas to viewers who love nature, art, and handmade beauty. As we come to the end of this video, remember that the most meaningful gifts are often made by hand and guided by heart. Nature and wood art offer a beautiful way to express care, creativity, and connection. Whether you're crafting for someone special or simply exploring your own creativity, let the natural world inspire your hands and imagination. Thank you for spending this creative time with Wow Decor Tube. Keep creating, keep exploring, and keep sharing beauty through handmade art.